In this video, we will learn how to create workbooks in Excel. Let's look at two methods to do this. Method 1, File tab. To create a new workbook using the ribbon, click the File tab. This will lead to the Backstage view where you can create new workbooks, open existing workbooks, save, print, and configure various workbook options and settings. To create a workbook, select New, then select Blank Workbook. A new blank workbook has been created which you can begin working with. Method 2, Keyboard Shortcut. The second method to create a blank workbook is to use the keyboard shortcut Control-N. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to Control-N. As you can see, Book 2 has been created, a new blank workbook that you can work with. This method is quite useful, so it may be worth remembering. Typically, when Excel is open, the Start page displays. Well, let's take a look at this. We currently have a workbook open. Let's go ahead and close out of this. I'm going to close the file, close Excel. Let's start from scratch. Let's open up Excel. I'm going to click the Excel icon on the taskbar. As you can see, when Excel opens up, it goes to the Start page. Now, what if you prefer when you open Excel that it goes to a blank workbook? Well, you can do this by going to File, Options, then in the General section, scroll down to Startup Options and uncheck Show the Start screen when this application starts. Click OK. So now I'm going to go ahead and close Excel again and then open it. As you can see, this time when Excel starts, it doesn't go to the Start page, it goes to a blank workbook. Another quick tip. A newly created workbook by default has only one worksheet. For example, if you look down here, we have just sheet 1. To change this default, go to File, Options, General, and then down to When Creating New Workbook section, and to this area where it says Include this many sheets, I'm going to go ahead and change this to 3. Click OK. So now if we go create a new blank workbook, you'll see that there are 3 worksheets instead of 1. I hope this lesson has added to your Excel knowledge. Please click the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.